Okay, when you're using an external microphone, the first thing you have to do is attach the microphone attachment bracket to the camcorder itself. Similar to a tripod, you're going to use the big hole here and screw that onto the screw here. So I'm just going to do that. And however way it works for you, that's fine. If it's upside down, doesn't really matter. As long as the microphone and the camera are facing the right direction in the end. So we'll screw this onto here. We'll get it about hand tight, and then we will hold it by the handle here, kind of line things up, and then we're going to go back and really crank it down so it's hand tight here. And so we're just going to hold this tight, crank that, so that everything is nice and secure. The next thing we do, of course, is open this up and plug this into the mic jack. See, it says mic. Do not plug it into the AV jack. Plug it into the mic jack right there. Okay, great. Now, extremely important. On the microphone itself, you must flip this bottom knob, or this bottom little switch up here, so it's on. If you do not see a green light, the microphone will not work and you will have a ruined recording. You will only be recording video. And obviously the whole reason we want the microphone is to record audio as well. So make sure you see a green light. You can also tell but down here you see the audio meters on the viewfinder. When you have audio, you can see the meter bouncing with the audio. Isn't that nice? Great. If you see no audio, for example, if this is turned off and you don't see a green light, you will not see audio bouncing up and down on there. So make sure you see a green light and you see the audio meters going down there. Now, what happens if you turn this on but you still don't see a green light? What you will do is you may need to change the battery. Right here, squeeze these two buttons and pull out, and there's just simply a AA battery to replace. When you're done, click it in, turn it back on, and you're good to go. The battery is supposed to last at least 12 hours, so you should be pretty good for most events. It may turn orange if it's low, so if you do happen to see that, make sure you have another AA battery on standby.